Okay guys, so for about 3 weeks now, I have been rocking these headphones, and honestly, I'm super excited to tell you guys about it because for the very first time ever, after this review, I will be keeping this one for myself. Now, this is the SuperEQ A200 wireless headphones, and it costs just around $50 or thereabout because it's on sale now. And since the brand sent it to me, two of it, I will be giving one away, so just make sure you watch this video to the end for you to know how you can win it. Now, when the brand first contacted me, the first thing I did was to go and look at it, and trust me, I was drawn by the design of these headphones. And even when I finally received it in hand, I just fell more in love with it. It has this matte black finish that makes it look really premium. And in terms of build, it is super solid. As you can see, it's really built with comfort in mind. And then also, the headband is retractable. So if you have a head that is slightly bigger than mine, you can just, increase it so it fits in perfectly. Then also, these ear cushions, they are not just super soft to the ears, when you have it on, but they are very large. That makes it one of the reasons why I'm keeping it, because when I wear it, it doesn't squeeze my ears, which tends to hurt over time, but it just sits around my ears and makes it look really comfortable. And this part that touches the center of your head, I don't know what it's called, but you get the point, is also has this bit of cushion and softness to it. The grip, when you have it on the ears, it's not so much that becomes really uncomfortable. Those are the two reasons actually why I decided I was going to be keeping it. The other third reason I'm still going to tell you. Now, let's go into some of the details of these headphones that just take it away from the regular headphones that you are used to. Firstly, it has a Bluetooth 5.4, which is advanced. So that means even when you are like 40 meters away from your phone or whatever device you have it connected to, it still remains connected. Also, it comes with this 3.5mm headphone jack that you can plug in this cable to. It comes in the box for those of you who still prefer cable for whatever reason. Now let's talk about the third reason why I'm keeping it. It can connect to two devices at the same time, making it super convenient for me because I have it connected to my Mac Mini and also have it connected to my phone. So when I want to take breaks, I can just listen to music with it. I don't have to start, changing connections and all of that. It has a 1000 mAh inbuilt battery. It gives you about, according to them, 3 days of music playback when you have active noise cancellation on, or even up to 5 days without active noise cancellation. And honestly, I can tell you for a fact, this battery doesn't die. Like, it's been on for many weeks and yeah, still riding strong. Now, here is something you don't get to really see in headphones at this price point, or even the ones that are a bit higher than it, and that is this guy right here, this detachable and adjustable microphone that I said it's very good when you engage in long Zoom calls or when you are a gamer. It comes in really handy. It comes right in the package. It is very nice. You can just connect it to the headphones using the USB-C port that it comes with, just like that. It fits in, and that's all about it. At the front, you have the speakers, for better audio quality, while at the back you have the mute switch that you can use to just press and mute yourself when you are talking. However, I want you to know that it only works when you are on wireless mode. So if you are connecting with the cable to your phone, this will not work. Now, let's talk about the sound quality, which is one thing that will definitely impress you or not when you decide to go and get these headphones. Personally, I would say the audio quality is super impressive. They are using a 40mm dynamic driver to get that high quality audio output. And yeah, to put it in perspective for you, I also use an AirPod Max right here in the studio. And if I'm to say the audio quality of this AirPod Max is 10, I'm going to rate this a solid 7. And then also there is active noise cancellation, which I would say it is pretty impressive. The microphone uses a total of about 6 microphones to just analyze your surrounding and then be able to cut down noise so you can be able to enjoy your music. And according to them, it cuts down up to minus 38 decibels of noise reduction depth, which is quite impressive. And also, I must talk about the fact that it is pretty convenient to use, because not only do you have a dedicated button right here that you can use to turn on active noise cancellation and turn it off, or turn on transparency mode, you also have this knob right here that you can use to adjust volume. It is more intuitive and more convenient to use than when you have two buttons for volume up and volume down. This is just so easy for you to scroll and get your volume exactly how you want it. So overall, I would say the SuperEQ A200 by OneOdio really surprised me, you know, from the comfort of usage to the very good audio quality to the super impressive battery life, this detachable microphone that you can use with it. Everything about it just scream really thoughtful and makes it really good to use for just about $100 or $50 depending on when you are getting it. And like I said before, the brand actually sent me two of it, as you can see. And for you to win it, all you just need to do is to drop a comment below, tell me what you do and why you feel these headphones would make you do whatever it is you do better. Unfortunately, I can only give one away, so yeah, good luck to you, and I look forward to your entries. So that is all you need to know about these $50 to $100 headphones and every good thing that it comes with. Tell me your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.